We've traveled out to the geographical center of Canada to meet our next guest, Laurel Plett. She is a farmer, but Laurel, I'm going to have you tell us a little bit about yourself and what you do.
Well, my name is Laurel Plett. Together with my husband Kevin and our 3 boys, we own and operate a chicken farm in Manitoba.
A chicken farm. Now, I have learned that there are different kinds of chicken farms, some for eggs, some for meat. Tell us about you.
So we have meat chickens, so that's the chicken breast or the whole chickens you see in the store, that's what we raise.
All right. What's your favorite part about owning a chicken farm?
Well, I love being able to do it with my family. I love being able to work with my husband and my kids and get the job done. So that's my favorite part. But I also love to eat chicken. So I'm quite happy to raise chicken and I can eat it as well.
I love that. Let's talk about the fact that you do this with your family. Is that a unique situation?
No. In Manitoba, I would say almost 100%, close to 97% of farms are family owned and operated. So.
All right, so you put the boys to work. She said every now and then it's a struggle to get them to do chores. They're teenagers, of course it is. Let's talk about your day-to-day operations and what chicken farming looks like.
So chicken farming with meat chickens, so they're raised in barns, but they're free run. So across Canada, if you see chickens that are meat chickens, they get to run around in the barn, access feed and water as much as they want. We run about 7 to 8 flocks a year. So in the barn, we're checking water, feed. They've got ready access at all times. The feed is grain-based, so no hormones, no steroids. That's across Canada as well. We don't do that with our chicken feed. And we are checking the chickens, making sure they're comfortable. The temperature's good, humidity's good, all those things we're checking every day.
I love that. They're in a temperature-controlled environment inside that barn. And I was laughing because it's obviously pouring rain today. And I thought, well, I mean, why not? Farmers have to work regardless of the weather. But those chickens have a pretty good life in there, don't they?
They sure do. Yeah, they don't have foxes in there with them. They don't have to worry about temperature. We've got it all under control.
All right. What would you say you're most proud of operating this farm?
I'm proud of a high-quality product. I'm proud to eat the chicken that I raise. I'm proud to sell it to Manitobans. And, of course, I'm proud to do it as a family.
And I love that. I love that sense of pride that you're able to take in your work. I love that you're doing it with the family. Do you think the boys are going to be taking over the farm someday?
Yeah, absolutely they will.
Oh.
Maybe not all of them, but some of them for sure.
Keeping it in the family. I love that so much. This has been a great chat, and I love learning about your farm.
Thank you.
Learn more at fieldstoforks.ca.